DJM TV.
The Nigerian Labour Congress don dey warm up for strike. Sabi country people, how una dey now? Shebi everything dey go siriri werere for una side. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, sake of the time when e be say e be so when una take dey look us. So for inside our day-to-day informative yarns on top our ogbonge TV station wey be DJM TV. Na me una country brother Stanley Okocha na him wan yarn una the ogbonge tori wey dey shele on top this time for we country wey be Naija. The tori wey dey shele now na him be the one when e go concern the Nigeria Labour Congress wey don come out come yarn say dem go for street protest from on the 10th of March for inside 2021 wey be from today sake of the smallest boundary alawi hide of petrol and the plan wey government wan take arrange state judicial council wey be SJC for inside all the states wey e dey for inside Naija. Dis na the informate wey come out for one talk table meeting when the National Executive Council wey be NEC when dem do for inside Labour House big parlour for inside Abuja. For the talk table meeting, the Congress see yarn say after the protest when they wan do, if government no come put correct mouth and correct eye for the matter, all the workers wey dey for inside Naija go come sit down for their house until government go come do the correct thing. The workers come condemnate the idea when dey the plan when be back say make government remove the smallest alawi gbogiri comot for the exclusive legislative list go put for the concurrent legislative list. The Congress come yarn join say state government no get the right to take get their own smallest alawi gbogiri so far say the alawi no small pass the Naija smallest alawi gbogiri. According to the Nigeria Labour Congress, the person wey put hand for the bill for inside the House of Representatives when im name be Honourable Datti Garba Mohammed when they represent the Sabogari Federal Constituency from Kaduna State for inside the House of Representatives when still get the mark HB 950 don pass the first and second read for inside February 2021. The National Executive Council for Nigeria Labour Congress come yarn say dem see the whole matter as the hand of Esau but the voice of Jacob. For inside the informate when e be say na the National General Secretary when dey act when im name be Comrade Ismail Bello and the National Presido of the Nigeria Labour Congress when im name be Ayuba Waba na im knack and put when e be say the date come be 2nd of March for inside 2021. The National Executive Council NEC warn say if the new smallest alawi gbogiri come be for law for inside Naija, e go come comot workers when dey work for inside private workplace for the enjoymentation of the smallest alawi gbogiri when e be say all the work people for inside Naija suppose dey get when month end. The informate as e take reach tori people hand come see yarn say the way government take want to do politics for how to take arrange alawi for work people go cause big wahala for inside the country sake of say this kind matter first shele for inside Naija for the First Republic. The National Executive Council of Nigeria Labour Congress come still yarn their bitter mind for inside the informate sake of say the political people wey dey for inside Naija no take dey show concern for the suffer of the country people sake of say dem agree for the bill when Honourable Abbas Tajudeen when they represent Zaria Federal Constituency for inside Kaduna State for inside the House of Representatives when they look for how dem go take use the constitution to take create the State Judiciary Council for inside all the states for Naija as they yarn say that kind thing e no go wella for plenty Naija people. The work leaders for inside Naija come still carry head go one side sake of say the hide of petrol when come dey scarce when e be say na fake scarce na e be say e dey scarce for inside the country. After the talk table meeting, the National Executive Council of Nigeria Labour Congress come yarn say dem don agree say dem go do national protest for inside naija from on the 10th wey be today of March 2021 for inside the Federal Capital Territory wey e be Abuja, and especially na for the front of the Naija National Assembly na dem go do the protest. Dem come yarn join say the protest na to send strong message say Naija work pipo no go bend down low come dey look their right when e be say dem gbege seriously to get, and when e be say na as e be for the world when e be say workers dey follow, but some politicians wey no dey think well wan come scandalize am. The Naija work pipo yarn join say the national protest go dey shele for inside all the 36 states when e dey for inside Naija for the same time for the different state house of assembly. The work leaders come still yarn join say if dem see as the matter be, dem go give muzzle to the National Administrative Council when e be NAC of the Nigeria Labour Congress to call for one national workers sit-down for house, especially if the Naija lawmakers continue to dey touch any area when e concern the smallest alawikpogri for work pipo, especially if dem remove am from the exclusive legislative list go put for the concurrent legislative list. Country pipo, una go remember say we don first yarn una say the Nigeria Labour Congress don dey warm up say dem no like the way some state governors take dey delay the way dem wan take make sure say dem dey give work pipo for inside their state the smallest alawikpogri wey be 30,000 naira kpogri for inside their state. So sake of say some of the state governors come out yarn say dem no get that kind of money when e be say dem go fit dey pay, and so the labour workers don say dey talk say as e be if dem no gree pay say dem go do wetin dem suppose to do to make sure say dem force those governors to make sure say dem pay am, because na wetin all of dem sit down for one talk table agree put. So as the matter dey go now, today wey be 10th of March 2021, the Nigeria Labour Congress don arrange say today their protest go begin for all the states for inside Naija to make sure say that smallest alawikpogri all the governors come begin dey pay them. Country pipo, we wan promise una say this informate so when we don carry give una so na so we go waka follow am, as today be the 10th of March when the Nigeria Labour Congress don promise say dem go begin their protest for all the states for Naija. We don arrange our tori pipo down to make sure say they follow up to make sure say as the thing dey shele for all the states for inside Naija, dem go bring am come with studio and we go knack am give una. Country pipo, na here our tori for break leg for this time. We wan thank una for all the time wey be say una don take dey look us since for all our tori informate yarns. We wan use this opportunity take tell country pipo when e get wetin dem dey sell or dey get one thing wey dem dey do when e be say dey do make money when country pipo dey call service. Make una bring am come give us, make we help una yarn am come out as informate for country pipo so that they go know say yes, una dey do that kind business or una dey sell that kind thing. And we know say once we knack am come out, sake of say we get many people when e be say they always look us when we knack news come out, they go see am and they go come dey follow you dey buy that thing wey you dey sell or follow you dey do that business wey you dey do when oyibo dey call service, and that time your business go come dey go siriri werere. We wan thank una for all the time wey be say una don take dey look us since. We wan still beg una say make una like, make una comment and make una share this ogbonge informate yarns when we carry come give una. We wan still beg una make una subscribe to our YouTube channel if una never do so all this time wey be say una don take dey look us on top our ogbonge TV station. Until next time when e be say we go still carry ogbonge informate as e take shele come give una. My name remain una country brother Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.